6 monetized YouTube channel, and I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube actually paid me for the entire channel. Like, this one is not for like one single video, for 2 videos. Like, ever since I created this particular channel, I want to show you guys how much YouTube has paid me the entire money. So like I said earlier, I have 6 YouTube channel. I'm going to be starting from the very first one that I created. I think I'm going to be doing this, maybe consecutively. Yeah, as time goes. Maybe today I can talk about the first one, tomorrow I'll talk about the second channel. Like, this is not me just like bragging to say, I just want to come and do show off. No, this is me just encouraging you guys, encouraging everyone that don't give up on YouTube. YouTube is not something you should give up on. I made my first 1 million on YouTube. I graduated from, okay, let me just give you this brief intro. I'm sorry, I'm actually trying to divert a little bit. I graduated from school, went for NYSC. Like, at the commencement of my NYSC, that was when I got married. I served at NAFDAC. If you're in Nigeria, you know that NAFDAC is like one of the best places you can ever serve, right? I served at NAFDAC, but I did not work at NAFDAC because NAFDAC do not retain corpers as when I was working with them. Although initially NAFDAC usually like retain corpers, but as when I was working with them, NAFDAC was not retaining corpers. So after I was done with service, I was like, what next? Where is the job? What am I going to do? And I've always liked to do YouTube because I think 3 years before I got married, I created a YouTube channel. But that YouTube channel, it was just there, blank. Nothing was there. I left that channel. But when I was thinking, what can I do? What can I do? Guess what, guys? I got pregnant along the way. Can a pregnant woman look for a job? Who will employ you with your big stomach? Like, as I was finishing NYSC, I got pregnant. So, who will employ you? I was like, okay, maybe after I'm done giving birth, then maybe I can maybe after like the first 6 months, I have to take care of my baby nurser. Maybe after like the first 6 months, then I can, start to apply for a job. But something within me just saying, you created a YouTube channel some times back that you just left. How about you starting it all over again? And then I was reluctant. What am I even going to do? Then I met this beautiful lady. I really hope she gets to see this particular video, Vibe with Sonia. Yeah, so Vibe with Sonia, when I saw her, I was like, oh my God, my husband could testify. If my husband watched this video, he would testify that Vibe with Sonia is actually a positive change for me. So when I watched Vibe with Sonia, she inspired me. She encouraged me to start up my first YouTube channel. And sometimes when I'm feeling tired, like I don't feel like posting, that's when Vibe with Sonia will come and say, have you posted today? If you're following Vibe with Sonia, I started following her when she had I think less than 20k subscribers. When she had like 17k plus subscribers, that was when I joined her community. Vibe with Sonia will say, have you posted today? Have you done this today? Like, that's how she is to me. So it's like she will encourage me. If I'm sleeping, I'll wake up. I'll say, wake up. It's time for you to post. Vibe with Sonia is asking you, have you posted today? And I'll be guilty. I'll be like, I've not posted though. Let me go and post. Let me go and record. So that particular first channel is the channel I want to show you the entire money. Although it can be little because of where my audience is actually coming from. Most people are from Nigeria, and we all know if your top audience are from Nigeria, we all expect very low revenue, right? And also because of the niche, it's an entertainment niche, and they pay chickeny money unless you have but regardless, I still got, in fact, let me re-show you because it feels like let me start my screen record and just show you guys. Yeah, because I wanted to say that regardless of all those things, I still got something really tangible. So the screen recorded has started. So this is my channel, Ineka Stories, the first one. As time goes by, I'll talk about the second one till we get to the 6th one, guys. This is just to encourage you, to push you guys. Don't give up on your channel. So you see the estimated revenue. Let me click on it. I'm going to be clicking on lifetime. So let's just wait. Hey, network, don't fuck me up. Oh. Okay, let me click on the revenue. And I'm going to click on lifetime. So the lifetime, I've gotten 767,000. Did I just say thousand? $767.57. So let me go to I think I've actually calculated this in my calculator, but let me still go ahead if it's still there. Oh, it's not there. Okay. 767, right? Let us even leave the points. Times I think $1 is 1,520. Yeah. I felt dollar even ego. But even as when I was collecting this money, dollar was high. Like I think dollar was around 1617 around that period. So then I actually earned higher. But the main essence of this is to show you that I've earned over 1 million naira from this particular single channel. I remember I said I have 6 channels. I'm gonna be breaking all of them down. Maybe not in this one video, but maybe today I'm talking about the first one. Tomorrow I can talk about the next one. Yes. So this is 1.1,165,840 naira. Sorry about the break in transmission, guys. I had a call. So you guys can actually see I've earned over 1 million naira. Like, I'm super excited because who could have thought, who could have imagined that just by staying at home, having a YouTube channel, making videos, like, at your own time, at your own pace, you can earn at least 1 million naira. I'm not trying to condemn some people or to or bring anybody down. I'm just trying to say there are some people that actually work their ass off. Like they go to office, enter bus, struggle, do a lot of things. They are this very hectic, wake up very early in the morning, even when they are still feeling sleepy. They wake up, go to work, come back late at night, and then they pay them so little. I even know of someone that is earning like 30,000, 40,000 naira in a whole month, a family person earning 30,000, 40,000 naira. And you have your kids, you have other things. Like, it is very, very ridiculous. Yeah. So this is me just encouraging you guys that you can still be doing. I'm not telling you to quit your 9 to 5 job. No. I would never tell you to do that. I would never. So that one is optional. It's your choice. But you can take YouTube seriously. You can be doing your 9 to 5 job. That is like one of the good thing about having a YouTube channel, because it doesn't even affect your 9 to 5 job. You are in control of your channel. You decide to post whenever you want to post. You can decide to say, okay, I'm always busy between so and so time, and this is when I'm free. Post your videos when you're free. Record your videos when you're free. Sorry, guys. A call is coming through. That's why I just want to quickly round this off before going to attend to that. So you can actually do that at your own pace. Just sit at home, record your videos. Like, that is like the sweetest part, like one of the sweet things of YouTube, although there are exceptions. If you're taking your YouTube as a side hustle, you'll be seeing result of side hustle, maybe small change, because you're not really taking it. But if you take YouTube as a full-time thing, you will definitely see result of a full-time thing. I took YouTube as a full-time thing because I don't have any other thing paying my bills aside. Maybe my husband is like giving me some money, husband to wife, that one is normal. But like me personally, earning my own money, I'm not getting money from anywhere. So YouTube is like my main source of income, personal income. YouTube is my main source of income. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for YouTube. I'm so grateful for doing YouTube. It's something I love, and I'm just trying to encourage you out there. So in case if you're thinking of, I want to give up, I'm trying this, I'm trying that, it's not working. See, in the end, you will be grateful you never gave up. And this particular channel, you guys can actually go and check this channel out. In Neka Stories, go and check this channel. Scroll down to my very first video. Scroll down. You guys will see that I started with a lot of things. I started with African folk tales. Then I started with, oh my God, this thunder rain it's actually raining so much. I started with African folk tales. I started with talking about myself, giving life updates, like all this lifestyle. I did a lot of things before I finally came to the entertainment niche, because I was not getting views. But what really mattered was that I did not give up. So you guys can still go ahead and check. See, in the beginning, it's not always rosy. It is not always rosy from the start. It was along the line I started getting the views, 100k views, 50k views, 20k views. But go and check the beginning. So if the beginning for you is not rosy, understand that it is normal. That is how it used to be. And whatever that is good does not come easy. Whatever is valuable does not come easy. You have to truly work for it, to be honest. Yeah. So if you're seeing that low views, don't let it discourage you. Just be thinking that, there is joy at the end of the tunnel. somebody has corrected me. I think you guys have corrected me before. There's hey, yes, because I know you guys have corrected me before. There's light at the end of the tunnel. So I don't want this video to be too long because this is just to encourage you. People that are feeling down, because I know a lot of people are actually feeling down, feeling low views, feeling discouraged, feeling tired. To even record is not even encouraging, because imagine you record, you go live, do a lot of things, but then nobody's watching. It's not encouraging. So this is me just uplifting your spirits. Don't let that spirit die. Just hold your YouTube tight. Hold your YouTube tight, though. Hold your YouTube tight. The fact that, let me just stop here. See you tomorrow for our next channel. I'm going to show you how much to pay me for my second channel, the one I created after this song. Tomorrow I'm going to do a video on that, so you guys can see how much the total money I've actually gotten ever since I created it. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.